Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the location services on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the crown button, like this. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now scroll up and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and find the option called security and privacy, and here tap on it, and here we have location services. Tap it, and right here we can enable or disable the location services by tapping on the switch next to access my location. As you can see, mine is disabled, so let's enable it by tapping the switch like this, and now the location services are enabled. And if you want to disable it, simply tap on the switch like this. And once you're done, simply swipe right to go back to the settings, or press the crown button to go back to the watch face, like this. And that's how you enable or disable the location services on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.